2x square negative 8x negative 7 equals to 0. One solution to the given equation can be written as 8 negative square root of k divided by 4, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? We can use the Desmos to solve this problem. First, we have to take this equation in Desmos. And my aim is not to get the graph of this equation. My aim is to get the value of the constant k, which is connected to this equation. In that case, when I take this equation in Desmos, for x, I have to use x1, and for equal sign, I have to use tilde sign. Okay, now let me take this equation in Desmos. So that is 2 times x1 squared negative 8 times x1 negative 7. Then we have to take tilde sign 0. Okay, now let's consider the solution to the given equation. Actually, this is the value of the variable x in this equation. But in Desmos, we have x1. So we can take this one as value for x1 in Desmos. Okay, here let's take x1 equals to, open the square bracket. Inside the square bracket, we have to consider the given solution. That is 8 negative square root of k over 4. Here I got the value of k, that is 120.